Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa for those of you who are new, and I upload new videos every Sunday. And if you aren't part of the family already, go ahead and do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload every week. And today I'm getting ready to go out the door and head out to our weekly grocery run. So I'm gonna film a little grocery haul when we get back for you guys. I just had to do the intro here before we headed out because I don't have the camera out in the grocery store. So I will see you guys when we get back. Safety first. Alright guys, and we're back. So this is my grocery haul. I have 3 bags and 1 fiddle. So after the grocery store, we went to Home Depot and I found the cutest little fiddle. Look at him. So hopefully this guy stays alive and I don't kill him like my other plants because I'm a notorious plant killer. I do not have a green thumb whatsoever. So here's a hoping that he lives. And if he makes it past a week, we'll name him down below in the comments. But he's so cute. So first I'm gonna start off with what's in this bag. So I was totally out of Ezekiel bread, so that is what I got. I got a new loaf. I like the sesame one. It's really good. And then this week I'm making shrimp ceviche. So I got some tostadas, which are basically just like crunchy tortillas that you just eat. You can break it up like chips and eat it with ceviche. And then I saw these puppies and I had to grab them. So Doritos Flamin' Hot, not the healthiest, but you know, the girls got cravings. So I got a bag of those. And then for the shrimp ceviche, I got the jumbo easy peel shrimp. So that'll be for this week. And then the second meal that I'm going to be making, it's going to be a chicken and broccoli dish with cauliflower rice. So I got another bag of some frozen cauliflower rice to eat with that. And then I got some liquid aminos to use as a placeholder for soy sauce for the chicken and broccoli that I'm going to be eating this week. And then I got some more liquid egg whites because I go through these things. Every morning I usually have about 1 egg and about 3 egg whites, so I'll pour this out to kind of scramble up my eggs. And then I also got a couple of jarritos. So this is the lime and this is the mandarin flavor. They didn't have the toronja one, so I had to settle for the lime and mandarin one, which these are really good. These are Mexican sodas. They're really good. And then I got some more bacon, so I eat this with my eggs. Why is my neighbor's alarm going off? There you go. And then I got some of these tomorrow's wraps. So these are pretty good. These are only 60 calories each, and these are great if you're just like feeling lazy and you just want to eat a wrap instead of like cooking up dinner. So these are a nice little snack, and I usually eat this with like some sort of protein and some veggies, throw it in there, just call it a wrap. I usually drizzle a little bit of mustard on there just to give it a little bit of flavor. Now moving on to the produce part of it, I have been on a huge like orange and apple kick. So in the morning I'll usually have an orange with my breakfast. So I got like 7 oranges because I love eating them with my breakfast now. It's like if I don't have an orange or an apple with my breakfast, I don't feel like I really ate. So there's a bunch of those. Please don't roll off the table. And then, like I said, I like the Gala apples because these are like just the right amount of like sweetness. You know, they're not too like juicy. They're not too dry. They've got just the right amount of crunch. So I got some of those. And then I have my 2 crowns of broccoli for my chicken and broccoli that I'm going to be having this week. And then cilantro for my ceviche. I got a couple of limes also for the ceviche. I got some avocados also for the ceviche, and sometimes I like some avocado toast. And then I have my raw almonds and then my dark chocolate covered almonds. So I like eating these together like it's a little snack or as a dessert. They're really good. So that's like one of my fun little treats that I like to treat myself to. And then over here, I have some more avocado. And then some more tomatoes for the ceviche and a red onion for the ceviche. And some jalapenos to chop up also for the ceviche. So there you have it, you guys. This is my grocery haul. As you guys can see, I got a lot of produce, a couple of things not so good for you, you know, but life's all about balance. So that is what we're going to be eating this week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.